Hey gang, Poppy here. Caffeine BS for June 29. The last day in June this year when the bus is running here. Also known as payday! Isn't that pretty? Isn't that a pretty logo? Ah. Rather than waiting for anything else like 1,000,000 subscribers or win a contest, I'm celebrating something realistic. You see those two stripes, those two silvery stripes up near the top of this rod? It's called cylindrical grinding. The videos attached to this show you. The second half I show you doing this. I did it on my shear line lathe. I cylindrical ground on the shear line lathe back in '96. Now I'm videoing.